Welcome to Crypto News Today, your source for unbiased, in-depth cryptocurrency analysis. Today, March 2nd, 2025, we're exploring a major development: Ethereum's stunning rebound to $3,000. Just 1 week after the $1.5 billion Bybit hack, ETH surged 15% from $2,600 to $3,000 per CoinGecko data as of 9:15 a.m. PST. This recovery has stunned the crypto world. Investors, analysts, and traders are buzzing on X. We'll unravel the drivers behind this post-hack surge, drawing from market data, on-chain metrics, and expert insights. Let's dive in. As of March 2nd, 2025, Ethereum's price stands at $3,000, a 15% jump from $2,600 on February 25th, following the $1.5 billion Bybit hack. That hack, the largest in crypto history, saw 500,000 ETH stolen, per Chainalysis, shaking the market and dropping ETH to a low of $2,500 on February 26th. Yet by March 1st, ETH rebounded sharply, hitting $3,000 on Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken, with trading volume up 18% to $12 billion daily, per CryptoCompare. This isn't random noise. Ethereum's recovery outpaces Bitcoin's 2% gain this week, per CoinMarketCap, as BTC holds at $76,000. What's driving this? One key factor is the Ethereum community's response. On February 27th, the Ethereum Foundation announced a $200 million emergency fund to reimburse Bybit hack victims, funded via ETH staking rewards. X posts show 1.2 million users retweeting support, boosting sentiment. Exchange data from Glassnode shows ETH outflows from centralized exchanges like Bybit dropped 25% since the hack, suggesting holders are moving to self-custody, reducing selling pressure. This resilience mirrors Ethereum's 2021 recovery after the Poly network hack, when ETH rose 12% in a week. Market data reveals another driver: institutional interest. On March 1st, Grayscale announced a $150 million stake in ETH via its Ethereum Trust, per Bloomberg, citing the network's stability post-hack. This move follows a 10% increase in ETH ETF inflows last week, totaling $28 billion since 2024, per 10x Research, half of Bitcoin's ETF inflows, but growing. Trading volumes on decentralized exchanges like Uniswap surged 22% to $4 billion, per Dune Analytics, as DeFi users rushed back, trusting Ethereum's Layer 2 solutions like Arbitrum, which processed 60% more transactions this week. Ethereum's staking yield rose to 4.2% from 3.8% pre-hack, per BeaconScan, as 500,000 new ETH were staked, equating to $1.5 billion at $3,000 per ETH. This locks up supply, per CryptoQuant, reducing circulation and pushing prices up. Ethereum's gas fees also dropped 15% to 45 cents per transaction, per Etherscan, making it cheaper to use post-hack, attracting developers and users. X-Chatter shows 800,000 mentions of ETH recovery since February 28th, signaling a sentiment shift fueling this rebound. Analysts offer insights on Ethereum's trajectory. Ethereum's co-founder highlighted Layer 2 scaling reducing hack risks, with Arbitrum's transaction volume up 60% to 2 million daily. CryptoQuant data notes ETH's RSI hit 28 on February 27th, oversold, signaling a buy, with staking growth and ETF inflows driving this. Exchange reserves fell 8% to 18 million ETH, reducing selling pressure. 10x Research suggests Ethereum's rebound signals DeFi confidence but warns of volatility if hacks repeat, citing Grayscale's $150 million stake as bullish yet risky if gas fees spike. Matrixport projects ETH could hit $3,500 by Q2 2025 if staking grows 20%, but cautions on macro risks like US tariff threats, per X posts, impacting crypto broadly. These views balance optimism with caution. Ethereum's surge contrasts with broader market trends. Bitcoin, at $76,000, rose 2% this week, per CoinGecko, but its dominance fell to 57% of the $2 trillion crypto market, per CoinMarketCap, as ETH gained share. Altcoins like Solana and XRP dropped 3% and 4% respectively, per CoinGecko, while Ethereum led, driven by DeFi recovery. The U.S. Federal Reserve on February 28th hinted at rate cuts by Q3 2025, per Reuters, boosting crypto broadly. ETH rose 8% since that news, per CryptoCompare. Global trade tensions add complexity. President Trump's tariff threats against Mexico, Canada, and China, reiterated on March 1st, sparked a risk-off mood. Crypto ETFs saw $1.8 billion in outflows, per LSEG. Yet Ethereum's 15% rebound suggests resilience, possibly tied to its DeFi dominance. Stablecoin inflows, per DeFi Llama, show Tether's market cap grew $900 million to $119.9 billion, with 65% flowing to ETH pairs on Uniswap, signaling fresh capital favoring Ethereum post-hack. Ethereum's funding rates on futures markets, per CoinGlass, averaged 0.015% on March 1st, up from 0.01% pre-hack, indicating bullish sentiment as longs pay shorts. Rates below 0.02% suggest room for growth, unlike Bitcoin's 0.025% per the script. Ethereum's 30-day realized volatility hit 48% per Skew Analytics, above 2024's 40% but below January's 60% peak, balancing risk and reward. Transaction fees remain low at $45 per Etherscan versus Bitcoin's $5 attracting users. Ethereum's developer activity, per Electric Capital, grew 12% since the hack, with 2,500 new commits to the Ethereum codebase on GitHub. X posts show 900,000 mentions of ETH DeFi since February 28, driven by Layer 2 adoption. Google Trends data indicates Ethereum price searches up 25% week over week globally, peaking in the US and South Korea, signaling renewed interest post-hack, fueling this $3,000 surge. Ethereum's smart contract activity offers another layer. Etherscan reports 1.8 million daily smart contracts executed on March 1st, up 15% since the hack, driven by DeFi protocols like Aave and Compound, per DeFi Llama, adding $5 billion to TVL. This growth, per Dune Analytics, shows Ethereum's 2025 upgrade to Ethereum 2.0, enhancing scalability, cut hack risks 30%, per Electric Capital. X post note 1.1 million mentions of ETH upgrades since February, reflecting developer confidence. Stablecoin inflows, per Circle, show USDC on Ethereum up $2 billion to $52 billion, signaling institutional trust post-hack. Ethereum's options market, per Deribit, saw $1.2 billion in open interest for ETH calls at $3,500 by June 2025, up 20% since the hack, per CoinGlass, betting on further gains. This optimism, per Skew Analytics, aligns with a 10% rise in ETH futures volume to 8 billion daily, per Crypto Compare, as traders anticipate Q2 growth. Google Trends shows Ethereum investment searches up 18% globally, peaking in Europe, driving retail interest. These metrics highlight Ethereum's $3,000 surge and its DeFi dominance in 2025. Thank you for watching Crypto News Today's analysis of Ethereum's 2025 $3,000 comeback. If you found this data useful, please consider liking this video and subscribing for daily cryptocurrency updates. Your support helps us continue delivering factual market insights. For more on this story, listen to our Spotify podcast, link below, for extended insights and Ethereum updates.